Welcome to NTR Global. This video will show you everything you need to know about NTRsupport post surveys in order to make you improve the quality of your customer service. We'll see in this order the benefits of integrating a post survey, a complete example, how to create this post survey step by step, setting up the right questions and answers, customizing the survey, integrating the survey in the button, testing the survey, and finally, we'll see how to check the survey results. Post surveys are going to be very useful for several purposes like increasing your customer satisfaction by attending their suggestions, improving your service or product by getting feedback directly from the field about the service or product quality, increasing the performance of your support team by evaluating your operators or technicians, and improving your business by getting any other information you might find useful after having a remote session with your customers. Let's see a post-survey example and the type of questions you can include in the survey. The first one is a multiple-choice question where the customer can only select one answer. The second question is a satisfaction threshold question. This question is very important because they are going to allow you to send an automatic email to you when somebody scores at or below the satisfaction threshold selected. And finally, you can set up questions to obtain free answers and feedback from your customers. Let's see now how to set up a post survey step by step. The first step would be to log in the administration console and go to Configure Surveys. We'll click then on Survey Management option and we'll add a new survey. Let's call it Your Survey. Let's choose the language, in this case English. And let's also choose the type. In this case, it's a post survey. Let's save it. Here is the new survey. Let's add now the questions. The first question I'm going to add is a multiple choice question with 3 possible answers. I'm going to make it mandatory. And I'm going to save it. Let's add now the possible answers. The first answer would be a yes. The second would be a no, and the third answer would be not completely. Remember, we can add as many answers as we want. Here it goes. Now we have all the 3 answers ready. The second question in the survey is going to be a satisfaction threshold question. In this case, I'm going to ask the customer to evaluate from 1 to 9 the quality of the service. I'm choosing the type satisfaction threshold, and I'm making it mandatory. Let's save it and let's add the answers to this question. In this case, the answer is going to be a number. I'm going to select the scoring range 1 to 9 and I'm going to set up a threshold at 3. So any score equal or below 3 will open a text box in the survey asking the customer for additional comments. NTRsupport will immediately send an email with a message alerting that a customer rated the survey at or below 3. That way, you or your operators can get back ASAP to a potential unhappy customer and check what the problem was and try to fix it. The last of the questions in our post survey is a text question asking for feedback. Let's set it up and save it. Text, mandatory, and let's save it. Now we have the 3 questions ready. The multiple choice question, the threshold question, and the free text question. Let's see how the survey looks like so far before integrating it in the button. This is a survey. The questions all look fine. They look like the example I showed at the beginning of the video. Let's then integrate it in the button so we can have it in production. Let's take the standard integration button code from the administration console. Let's paste it in the notepad and let's add the right parameter to invoke our post survey. In this case, the parameter is SUR, S-U-R, equals your survey, which is the name of the post survey we have created. We can save this file as an HTML file and test that everything works fine. Let's click then on the button and start a session. We'll see if the post survey pops up after closing the chat window. The survey works fine. Let's fill it up with some answers. Let's scroll very low and check that the additional text field appears to let the customer report its comments regarding such a low score. Here it goes. To finish, we'll write down some extra feedback in the text question. To finish with this video, just a quick reminder. It's possible to read the survey results through the Administration Console in the Information and Statistics area and get strategic and very rich information about your service, your products, and your customers. Thanks for watching.